We are outside the Yuma Proving Ground, safe, and we are outside of the National Refuge, right in between.
Four double A's.
Starting with the Big Bertha.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, you can hear it hit the ground.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my God, what a shot. It's coming down fast, but it's coming right down where we launched it. All right.
3, 2, 1.
Here, let me get a look at it. Space, the final frontier. So it went. Ready.
3, 2, 1. Hey.
These parachutes just don't work. Snag it away.
3, 2, 1.
Uh-oh, we got trouble. Oh, wow, I'm so floored. That was, it's gonna come right down and hit the truck. Why can't I see it? Nice, and that's how it's done. All right, in my whole child and adult life, I've never done an E-engine. I think it's an E. Let's find out. It's an E98.
2, 1.
Oh my God! I've never heard a motor go so long.
Oh my God.
Oh God! It is so. That's insane. I can't even see it on the camera. I hope it's in view. Oh, and it didn't deploy. So it's far, but not super far. I think it's behind that big bush right there. So, I don't know, 100 to 150 yards. Okay, that's what I thought, right there, but further. I'm gonna go look.